This video is about parallel structure. We'll see in a minute what that is. Okay, it's something that will make your writing better. All right. Okay, so parallel structure is something you use like whenever you're listing items like in a series with commas. You want to make sure that the beginning of each thing in the series matches. Okay, so here we have three different versions of the same sentence. A, Eileen bought new shoes for the party, a gold charm for her mother, and to treat her best friend Maria to lunch. B, Eileen decided to buy new shoes for the party, purchasing a gold charm for her mother, and treating her best friend Maria to lunch. C, Eileen purchased new shoes for the party, a gold charm for her mother, and lunch for Maria, her best friend. Okay, there's only one that shows the correct parallel structure, and that's C. So you can see here, it's listing several things that Eileen purchased or bought, okay? So whenever you're listing things in a series and you have commas between all these different things, each thing should start in the same form. Okay, so you notice how this starts with new shoes as one thing, a gold charm, and lunch. These are all nouns. Shoes, charm, lunch, all nouns. Okay, so it's parallel structure. They all have the same structure of being a noun. But if you look at A, there's new shoes, a gold charm. Okay, those are both nouns. But then the last thing in the series is and to treat her. To treat is a verb, not a noun. It doesn't match the structure of the shoes and the charm. So this is not parallel structure. And then B, it starts with new shoes, but then it goes to purchasing a gold charm. So then the first thing in the series starts with a noun, but the second thing starts with an ing verb, purchasing. And then the last thing in the series starts with an ing verb, treating. So the three things in the series don't match up, which is why it's not parallel structure. Okay. So items in a series must have parallel structure. That looks like this. So see, each of these is in the same form. An apple, apple, and an apple. Okay, or this. Okay, here's an example of parallel structure. Shane ate the pizza, wiped his lips, and burped with contentment. Okay, in every single case, they're using a past tense verb, like the way you would use a verb when you're talking about something that happened in the past. Ate, wiped, burped. They all match. They're all the same structure, parallel structure. Okay. So when you mix different structures, and that's not right and doesn't sound as good. So here's an example of non-parallel structure. Shane ate the pizza, wiped his lips, and burping with contentment. See how these first two verbs, ate and wiped, they're both past tense, so they match each other. But this last one is an ing verb. It doesn't match the other, so it's non-parallel. And it just doesn't sound as good, right, as the other one. All right. Now you're going to choose which sentence is the best, which one has parallel structure, which is the one we'd want to use. Okay. A, barking dogs, kittens that were meowing, and squawking parakeets greet the pet shop visitors. B, barking dogs, meowing kittens, and squawking parakeets greet the pet shop visitors. C, dogs that bark, kittens that meow, and parakeets squawking greet the pet shop visitors. Which one has parallel structure? Is B. See how everything in the series, barking dogs, meowing kittens, and squawking parakeets, they all start with an ing verb followed by a noun. Ing verb followed by a noun. Ing verb followed by a noun. These other two don't have that pattern with everything in the series. All right, next one. A, during class, Samuel spent his time flirting with Brittany, eating candy, and doodling on the assignment sheet. B, during class, Samuel spent his time flirting with Brittany, he ate candy, and doodling on the assignment sheet. C, during class, Samuel spent his time to flirt with Brittany, to eat candy, and doodling on the assignment sheet. All right, so the answer is A, okay? So everything in this series starts with an ing verb, flirting with Brittany, eating candy, and doodling on the assignment sheet. These other two don't have everything start with an ing verb. Like this starts with flirting, but then this starts with he ate. Okay. A, Alex looked everywhere for his math book, under the bed, on his desk, and he searched inside the refrigerator. B, Alex looked everywhere for his math book, viewing under the bed, searching on his desk, and inside the refrigerator. Or C, Alex looked everywhere for his math book, under the bed, on his desk, and inside the refrigerator. So it is C, okay? Got it. Because every single thing in here starts with a preposition. Under the bed, on his desk, inside the refrigerator. Okay, see if you can figure this one out. All right, the answer is A. Next one. All right, next one.